welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post some haul videos, vlogs, shopping, get ready with me, all that. So definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you do not want to miss my videos. Share the channel, subscribe, you don't want to miss it. So today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. We're back to our no pennies, sadly, during this haul. That's just sad. But we definitely have so many new finds that I cannot wait to show you guys. So grab a snack, grab a drink, subscribe, and let's get into it. So the first thing I got is just these Dobie scrubbing pads, flexible and fast drying, non-scratch. You know, you always need to replenish, on kitchen stuff. So I just got these, and you get 2 packs, so got that, random. Then I got this jelly lip balm in strawberry. I know we saw peach before, I know we saw watermelon, but I never remember strawberry, so I picked it up. Why not? Then I saw these hot and cold iPads, but look how cute they are. They're like the little blue bows. Like, aren't those so cute? So, pick those up. Then we got a new product from the Jake Paul collection. This is the bar soap, hydrating vitamin infused. So we got the shampoo, the body wash. Now we have the bar soap. So, got that. Then we found the new by TheraPlus compared to Aquaphor. It's the moisturizing lip balm, helps soothe dry, chapped lips, and that is me. So we definitely picked one of these up. Then what I'm probably most excited for is finally we got the Be Pure Hydrating Lips Balm in creamy caramel, and it says compared to Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss. So I was so stoked to pick this up. Let's open this. I've been seeing it on TikTok everywhere. I was like, when is it going to be my turn to find it in store? And I did. I found all this in one store. This is what it looks like. Okay, it smells good. Definitely creamy. Okay. I can't really, smell caramel or anything. Maybe it's just me. And this lid. Okay, there we go. Be Pure part goes on the back, which is weird. But anyway, so super stoked to find this. Definitely creamy. So yeah, so that is our first bag of this haul. Next bag. So we got this by the Twist brand. We haven't seen this in forever. I mean, I haven't. This is the Weather Up Gel Weightless Curl Defying Gel, fighting frizz, long-lasting, no crunch. So I love this brand, so I cannot wait to try this product now. So I got this. Then, finally, I found the new scent in the Body Butter Brazilian Orchard Body Butter Orchard and Sandalwood scent. So this one's purple, and I'm so glad I found this one now. So we got that. Then we got the Mattifying Primer by Be Pure. I do like this collection. So we got this, and this is going in my beach bag. Then we got the lip gloss, moisturizes lips, and this is just the Ocean Mist. Ocean Mist. I really like this because it's such it's not too much, but it's like you can tell something's on my lips, So we got that. Then we got some new nail stuff. So this is the After Gel Nail Recovery Treatment, healthier nails after just 1 week. So this is just nail polish, but I got gel on my nails forever, and my nails are so damaged, so I cannot wait to try this. I just painted my nails literally 20 minutes ago, but I'm definitely going to put this on after I take this off. So we got this. Then I found this, which I thought was kind of cool, but it's just this liquid nail powder, brush on liquid to powder formula, easy to apply and seals in seconds. So, different chromatic effects depending on the base color. So, I guess I could put this on over this pink, which I just might. But, yeah, so this is what this looks like. Then, this is a new scent by the Spothecary, Strawberry Peach. So, I got the in-shower balm. They had the scrub and the wash, but I just wanted to get one thing, and I picked the shower balm and Strawberry Peach, which is my favorite scent ever. So super excited for this. Then we got some new face masks. So this is the Delicate Mask Brightening and Rejuvenating Avocado and Retinol mask. So yeah, it was pretty. I don't know if we've seen this or not before. I know we've seen this brand before, but never. I don't know if we saw this, so I grabbed this because why not? Oh, then we got. I finally found the Betty Boop masks. So this is the Betty Boop sheet mask pack, green tea and aloe collagen. So you get one mask in here, but look how cute. So we got the, what one did I say this was? Green tea and aloe. Then we got the chamomile and retinol. Then the last one is the hyaluronic acid. These are all made in Korea. So you get there's three different Betty Boops. Betty Boop, Betty Bop, Betty Boop. Then got this 2-pack of notebooks, and this one says howdy, 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 howdy. And this one just the cowgirl hats. These are so adorable. So that's why I got that. Then we got the cheek tint, cheek mousse blush, hazelnut gelato. I never remember seeing this shade, but I'm definitely using this as a bronzer and cheek duo. I never remember seeing this shade, so I snagged it. Then we got the Vitamin C Glow Shimmering Moisturizer with Turmeric, nourishing for dewy, radiant skin. I don't remember seeing this product from this collection, so I definitely grabbed this. Then we got the Flower Beauty Full Coverage Concealer. This one is a medium honey. So we had the light, and now we found the medium honey, so I grabbed it. Then we have some new lip plumper glosses, which I'm stoked for. So we have the Caramina Pink. So we have this lip plumper. Then we have the Puree, whatever you want to call it, just clear. So just clear. Then the last one is Sheer Red, which was easy for me to read. So those are the 3 lip plumpers. Then randomly on the end cap, I saw these and I grabbed them. These are squishy bracelets. So there's 3 different ones. So there's pink. Can you see that there's pink? Alright, maybe this is like green and pink maybe? I don't know. This one, we have this one, and then this one. So I don't care. I love squishy stuff, so I grabbed those. Speaking of squishy, I have my big Five Below squishy duck, which Dollar Tree is supposed to have like squishy cheeses and stuff. Haven't found them yet. The only thing squishy from Dollar Tree are these that I found right now, but we're on the hunt still. If only Dollar Tree sold this big duck. Anyway, but that is that bag, so continue to watch.